So you're 0 for 2 right now.
Yeah. I am quite aware you gave me the difficult questions and everybody else got the easy questions.
What's up, guys? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty. It has been raining cats and dogs this week in Los Angeles. So for that reason, we are here at the home base, Dherbs, for our Street Smart Office edition. Let's see what the people of Dherbs know about allergies. What's your name and where are you from?
They call me Vincenzo, from originally Honolulu, Hawaii.
Linda, I was born in Peru, but I'm here in Cali.
My name is Alejandro and I'm from Puerto Rico.
You a surfer, Vincenzo?
Indeed I am. Born, bred, and water-fed.
Hello, motherfucker.
Far out.
No, don't say that.
All right, Linda. Number 1 is a true or false question. Hay fever is the same as a food allergy. True or false?
Oh, God. I don't really have allergies,
I would say true.
but I'll say that it is, yes. It's true.
I'm going to say false.
You are incorrect. You are correct. This is true. Hay fever is a kind of chronic allergy to things like pollen and dander. Its symptoms are more like a cold than the acute rash and swelling you might get from a food allergy. 1 for 1. You're off to a good start.
On to the next question.
How many people in America have allergies? A, 25 million, B, 30 million, or C, 50 million?
I would say C, 50 million.
I'm going to go with 30 million.
I'm going to go with C, 50 million.
You are correct once again.
Okay, I'm wrong. That's the last one, I promise you.
Allergies are the 6th most common cause of chronic illness in America. Of those, about 32 million are food allergies. Allergies are also becoming more common over time, probably because of lifestyle and environmental changes.
I have allergies.
What are you allergic to?
Dirt. I mean, yeah, that's... ¿Cómo se dice polvo? Dust. I'm allergic to dust.
Portable?
Polvo, yes. That's dust in Spanish.
For all the marbles, how do you feel? Any pressure?
No, I'm actually pretty good. I think it's because I already ate. I just ate, so I'm pretty good.
So you're 0 for 2 right now.
Yeah. I am quite aware you gave me the difficult questions and everybody else got the easy questions.
It's really looking rough for you right now.
I believe the next one will be, I'm going to get it right.
Since hay fever is caused by pollen, it usually isn't a problem during the winter. What month does it start to get bad again in California? A, February, B, March, or C, April?
Maybe February?
I'm going to go with April.
Ooh, I would say April.
February is correct.
I should have bet on myself. It's a metaphor for life, guys.
I got too confident there.
Once again, you are incorrect.
March?
Again, incorrect.
February? Are you kidding me?
Yes, February.
Okay, so I'm 0 for 3. Is there a bonus question?
No. Since most of California doesn't get frost in the winter, grass and trees start pollinating as early as February, and the next relief isn't until July, when very few plants are pollinating.
Oh. So snow extends the pollination. And I would say it's not here. No.
This is
okay. Learn new things every day.
you're a little street smarter.
I am much more smart for the streets now.
Hi, this is Linda, and thanks to Dherbs, I got to play the Street Smart Challenge.
Hi, I'm Alejandro, and I went 0 for 3 in Street Smart Office Edition.
Hey, I'm Vinny. I just played the Street Smart Challenge and beat it. Thank you, Dherbs, and, thanks for signing my checks.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.